The German Academic Exchange Service, or DAAD, offers financial support to more than 1 lakh international and German researchers and students through this scholarship. It is the biggest such funding entity in the world. DAAD also offers surplace and third country programs where young researchers and scientists and students receive financial assistance for graduate, doctoral, and postdoctoral courses in their home regions or nations. So, let's look at the documents required. Master's course aspirants need to submit the following documents. Number 1. Completion of bachelor's or diploma degree when starting the scholarship-backed course. Number 2. Applications are not chosen if aspirants have stayed in Germany for more than 15 months by the deadline of submission. Number 3. Confirmation of admission by the German university. Number 4. Language skills certificate. Test DAF or DSH for German or IELTS and TOEFL for English. Number 5. CV or resume. Number 6. Letter of motivation. Number 7. Academic certificates and all certifications. Number 8. Degree certificate from the university showing the final grade obtained. And number 9. Certificate of co-curricular activities or employment if required. German government offers monthly payment of 861 euros and 1200 euros for graduate students and doctoral or PhD candidates respectively. They also provide travel allowances at a flat rate. Students may also obtain personal liability, accident, and health insurance funding in some cases. The scholarship rates usually increase to 2,000 euros for teachers, assistant professors, and lecturers, while professors get 2,150 euros. Now, let's look at the benefits of the scholarship. Number 1. It supports a diverse range of disciplines, including social sciences, engineering, natural sciences, and humanities. Number 2. It offers a generous monthly allowance covering living expenses, health insurance, and travel expenses. Number 3. It provides language courses to help students improve their German language skills, which can benefit academic and career prospects. And number 4. Other advantages include a one-time research allowance, family allowances, or cash for the language lessons, depending on the scholarship program. Hope you liked watching our video. For more study abroad related content, do subscribe to our channel.